Hey everybody, it's Tom. So I just bought this bike for my son. It's a 2022 mt-07 Yamaha, and they dropped it off today. And my son's out riding around the block getting to learn this bike. And we see this. He's riding it. This thing has like 3 miles on it. And the bike turns off, and he's 5 blocks away from the house, and it dies. So I pull up to him, like, he's like, hey, this thing died. And he's like, it's smoking. So if you look at that, that's like a major fried wire. But if you follow this wire, it's the main wire harness from this bike. This bike has 3 miles on it, and it fried. So who knows what damage it's done to all of the computers and everything on this bike. So I think we got a major issue here with Yamaha. So I think I'm going to ask Yamaha for a new bike. It's my son's first bike, and for him to have to push it 5 blocks uphill is not a good feeling. Can you see it? So yeah, something happened to this bike. I don't know what caused this. Could have been rubbed on the frame. But this is a $10,000 bike with 3 miles on it. This shouldn't happen. Poor design, made in China. I don't know. But we'll see how this thing ends up. Tom, out.